Bars are perfect, and I'm early. Just enough time to warm up, as I expected. Hey. Hey. Is it just me or is it really cold in here? I'm pretty sure it's just you. Oh. Really? It's freezing. Be honest, how many clothes are you wearing right now?
Honestly, not enough. Socks, fuzzy socks, space boots, leg warmers, and trash bags, fleece jumpsuit, it goes all the way up. Leotard, obviously, long sleeved, t-shirt, sweater, left the puffer jacket at home, don't panic, and a scarf.
So you don't think that's a bit excessive?
Wouldn't have to wear all of this if it wasn't so cold. Can we turn the AC off or something?
I mean, I'd rather not. I actually think it's pretty warm in here. Is that a hot pack?
It's cold.
It's July. You know what? Okay. Sorry.
Hey, what's up?
The world does not reward mediocrity. You know what the rest of the world wants to pay you for? Be the best at one thing.
Don't stop. Narrow your focus to one idea, and make it work.
What we do every day, every single day, what we do becomes habitual and routine. Through practice, every single day we do the same thing, regardless of weather, surroundings, elements, people, regardless. We continue to do the task that we believe in, headstrong, confident, pushing through it.
If you have micro-focus, if you can get a chance to pay attention to detail, that's how you break out of the pack. That's how you go from being average to above average performer. With focus, you are unstoppable.
Hey. You standing there?
I mean, I guess so.
Oh, okay. It's a nice spot, isn't it?
I mean, I guess. Did you want to stand here?
Oh, no, I was just commenting. I just happen to know that because I normally stand right there.
I mean, I can move. It's no issue.
Oh, no worries. I'll just stand over here.
No, I mean it. Like, if you're attached to the spot, you can have it. For real.
Attached? No, it's just a bar spot, right? I couldn't be attached to just a bar spot.
Right, but like if I gave it to you, would you?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I can move.
Thanks.
Yeah, no worries. All right, everyone, let's get up on our feet and start plies. We're gonna start in first position, one hand on the bar, just the usual. Does anyone have any questions?
Can we turn the AC off?
It's July. You'll get warm in a second. All right, let's start in first. Wait, why is everyone here already? I thought I was 30 minutes early. Didn't I leave 30 minutes early? I know I left 30 minutes early. Why are they all starting? Our class is at. Have they started class already? What day is it? Am I late? What class is this? My hair's not even. Is this even my class? What time is class supposed to start? What am I doing with my life? Who even am I? Where do I go with me now? Sorry I'm late. Chainsaw neighbor. Oh, there's a bug in here. Oh my god.
Wait, where?
It's in there. Let me go get a vacuum. Hold up. It's July. Sorry. Oh my god. Is that a... I'm sorry. That's actually too funny. So dumb. Guys.
Y'all.
Okay, are you guys ready? 1, 2, 3. Dude, I'm gonna kill my knees for you and you keep laughing.
I'm sorry. You won't see that so well.
Yeah.
Yeah. Try it one more time.
Oh man. Go. Oh, that's too slow. Hold up. Is it funnier if it's slow?
Not too slow, otherwise it's just painful to watch.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
It's really slow.
Why is it so hard? This is the take, you guys.
I can feel it. I feel it in my heart.
I feel it in my heart, my soul, and in my knees.